and then you can see how clear it is. I mean, I have this line here. Make sure my transmitter don't fall. But anyway, you guys can do the same thing, and we go from here.
Yes guys, you guys make sure, if you guys thinking about doing this on a mountain bike, you can actually strap this in your handlebar. So just to be safe and to what's coming out there, you can actually control. And if you want to do some changes, it actually help it out. You don't have to go all over again and start over where you started at. So it's always better to have it with you. If you do run out of battery or low battery, you can just land it near you instead of just going back to the location where you put your transmitter. But anyways, put it down and secure it and make sure everything is good. So I really appreciate it and enjoy watching this video.
It's fine. Got it off. You can see active track is working. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it works. It's awesome. So we have that guy up there, and then we can go ahead see if he can track us down. Wow, it's gonna be amazing. And let's go. If he can capture me right now. So the way I set up the drone, I have it on top of me, but it probably lost me right now. Oh, it did not lost me. You see that? Wow, it did not lost me. That's amazing. So we're gonna go ahead. It probably gonna lost me by the trees. We'll see. Probably not. You guys gotta see this. So it's tracking.
So just in case the Mavic Air did not track you, you can have the control of the transmitter or anything else. You are in charge of it. So it's a good thing to have it with you. For anything else, you can do some
I'm
changes.
57 feet high right now. So we're gonna see if the Mavic Air still get me in the frame. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and so I'm gonna low battery warning. See if this guy will follow me. So it's blowing like crazy right now. Here you go. See if he follows me. So he does following me right now. Woohoo! So I got the, let's go back up there. Let's see if I can make it all the way up. It's windy right now, and this thing's still following me. Active track. Look at that. Wow. So I'm in 70 right now, and I'm trying to hold butt. And you can see, guys, it's still tracking me. So I know this tree is about 50 to 60 feet, I think. I'm just guessing right now. Oh, still got me even past the tree. Wow. So I'm going speed right now and still tracking me. Woo, amazing. Still tracking me. Wow. So I'm gonna see if this thing follows. Woohoo! So thank you for tuning into my channel. We just learned something here. Can you see the Mavic? Woo! It's still handling the breeze. Wow. Awesome. Amazing. Yeah. Wow. So I think they need couple more updates. Alright, let's go. Woohoo!